Hey guys, it's Felicia, and today I am going to talk about hair types, and that is because I finally know what hair type I have. Since going natural, it was a struggle for me. I have watched a lot of videos with people showing their hair and saying they're for whatever it may be, and I just did not feel like my hair looked like most of the videos I watched. So I just started searching for videos that would describe or at least kind of help you figure out what your hair type is. The little pictures, the drawings didn't help me a whole lot, and just because of the sheer variety of textures, actual pictures of hair didn't help me either. So I was watching this video and it helped me a whole lot. The video is about 2 years old, and the YouTuber that put up the video, her name is R2N Sisters. And while I was listening to the video, and I was scrolling through the comments, and one of the comments just really made it very clear to me what my hair type was. So I'm going to share what that comment was, and hopefully if you're struggling with trying to type your hair, this will help you just as much as it helped me. Okay, so the comment was by Why You Reading My Name, and it was just very clear. So I know I'm not 4A, but just in case somebody is, it says 4A hair is defined with or without water, and it has loose curls that hang. I don't have that at all. My hair needs water to be defined, because without water it's just like, okay. So for 4B, it says hair looks like 4A when wet. So my hair is very defined, nice looking when wet, and when it dries it looks undefined and cottony. That is my hair. My hair is dry right now, and what does this look like? A big black what? Yep, a cotton ball. So that is my hair. I have 4B hair. Okay, and so 4C, it says it does not define with just water. So if you have 4C, you can put water on it and it's not going to define. You will have to put product in it to make it define. So 4A, you have curls that are nice, they're loose, and they're defined with or without water. 4B, you can get definition, but you have to have water in your hair. And 4C, you have to have product to actually define your hair. So that helped me a lot, and I hope that it helps somebody else as well. If it does help you, let me know. So I'm gonna lean in and let you guys see. Look at this. I have hair, y'all. I got some hair. I got some hair. Because y'all know, if you watch my video where I did the big chop, you could see that I think halfway through I had like regret, and you'll kind of know because I split the screen into 4, I think it was, just so you can see my face. I was really not happy and wanting to go back, but it was too late. I couldn't do anything about it. So here is my hair, so you guys can see the texture. Hopefully you can see it. This is my cotton ball, and this is this side, like very nice and defined. Okay, so if this video helped you, let me know down in the comments, because I just thought it was really informational. I will go ahead and put a clip in here as well with my hair wet, so you can see the definition. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. I'm not an expert, but I found that information and I just thought it was very helpful, and I figured why not share it. Okay, so let me know in the comments if it helped. Talk to you later. Bye.